What's going on, Lint lovers? It's Mark. It's Friday. That means it is time to clean the vac. I will tell you, I think this vac's going to be super, super full. We are going to play a game today called Guess the Weight. So we're starting with an empty bag. I'm going to put all the lint in there, and we're going to see if this lint cleaning is a boom or a doom. So I want you guys to guess how much you think it weighs. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's stuck. Holy cow, that's not a lot on the filter, but I'll get rid of that. And then let's see what we got in here. See if we can find some treasures. So pretty packed in this week. I'll give you guys a little bit of a tip that the last couple weeks, it's been about, 2.5 to 3.5 pounds worth of lint. I will say this is really thick. You can see those ridges from the vent. But this is like a whole sheet. I mean, it was thick. I'll give my guess too here in a minute. If you have guesses right now, let me know. Again, last week we were in the 2s, I think. Oh, some kind of earring. What is that? I think I found the other one of these the other day, so I'm gonna put that in my pocket. I don't think it's a real diamond. Too sparkly to be a real diamond? I don't know, we'll see. Put that in my pocket. Anyway, last week it was lighter. Oh, that's a big clump of hair or something. Look at that thing. And I think we were in the 2s. Before that, we were in the 3s. I can tell you right now, just based on the thickness of this, I think we're in the 3s for sure. Look at all that striation. Oh yeah, I hear some things rattling around in the bottom. That's where all the fun stuff is. But yeah, you can see how much it is really, really thick this week. Oh, there's a toothpick and a wrapper. Never know what you're gonna find here. So yeah, a lot of sparkles. It's filling up this trash can. This pretty good. There's the dirt. Let's see what we got in here. So we definitely got a hair barrette. And some pieces of screws. But yeah, just a lot of dirt this week. I think I went a little deeper on Big Bertha's. I'm gonna get all that out. All right, and the next step is I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna give you my guesstimate, and then we're gonna go to the scale. So, pretty good bag, and again, it's so thick. What are you guys thinking? What do I think it's gonna be? I'm gonna go 3.5 pounds, 3.45 pounds, 3.45. Let's go to the scale, and we'll find out. All right, so we're currently zeroed out. I'm saying 3.45. Oh, let's see. Let me center it. 3.05. So we are out of the 2s, barely in the 3s. That's a pretty good week. Something to keep in mind. I think we're always between that 2.5, 3.5. So I would call this, since we're in the 3s, I would call it a big boom for sure. Seriously, thanks for everybody for tuning in. Lint lovers, we love you. Have a great day. Thanks.